Cold water therapy has incredible benefits for the body. It helps reduce muscle soreness, lowers inflammation, boosts circulation, and sharpens your mind. But the real game changer is the convenience of using a Chiller Pro, ensuring perfectly chilled water without the hassle of adding ice. This chiller provides consistent cold water immersion and keeps the water clean with UV and ozone sterilization. Plus, the Wi-Fi control makes it easy to manage from your phone. Now that you know the benefits, let's get started on how to set up your Chiller Pro. Start by unboxing your chiller. Inside, you'll find the thermo chiller heater unit, water filter, external pipes, and a user manual. Position the Chiller Pro on a stable surface near your plunge bath, close to a power outlet. Next, connect the intake and outlet hoses. Ensure the intake is connected to the water source, and the outlet returns cooled water to the bath. Now, fill your bath with water and ensure the hoses are fully submerged to allow smooth water flow. Plug the chiller into a power outlet and press the power button to turn it on. Make sure it's properly grounded for safety. Before moving forward, check the hose connections for leaks and ensure the system is running smooth. Next, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Connect your phone and Chiller Pro to the same Wi-Fi network and pair them by following the prompts. Once paired, use the app to select your desired temperature between 37 degree to 107 degree Fahrenheit. The app lets you easily adjust the temperature, set timers, and monitor the cooling process, giving you full control at your fingertips. Press Start on the app to begin cooling. The chiller will efficiently circulate and cool the water to your desired temperature. For maintenance, clean the filter regularly and activate the UV sterilization feature to keep the water fresh and clean. Your Chiller Pro is now ready to use. Enjoy your recovery and relaxation.